Swollen wood window frames making your windows impossible to lock in humid climates is a super common headache, but you can totally fix it without calling someone right away. So, first off, controlling indoor humidity is your best friend here. Try using a dehumidifier or crank up the air conditioning to keep moisture levels in check. Next, check if the swollen parts are causing the lock to jam or the window to stick, and gently sand those swollen areas with fine grit sandpaper until the window slides or locks smoothly. Make sure to clean off any wood dust before testing the window again. If sanding alone does not cut it, you might want to apply a thin coat of wood sealant or paint on the frame to block moisture from seeping in further. Also, keep an eye on any leaks around the window seals because water sneaking in will just make swelling worse. When you open windows regularly, you help air circulate and reduce trapped humidity around the frames. Finally, if you live somewhere super humid all year round, consider installing storm windows or vinyl-clad frames to avoid constant wood swelling. One of the biggest mistakes people make with swollen window frames is ignoring humidity control, which lets the problem get worse and causes permanent wood damage. Fix this by using a dehumidifier or ventilation. Another common issue is oversanding or uneven sanding that ruins the window fit or finish. So always sand lightly and evenly. Lastly, forgetting to reseal or repaint the wood after sanding leaves it vulnerable to moisture again, so never skip that step if you want long-term relief. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know how to handle tricky stuff like window repairs in humid areas. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone.